The apex has been done already. You can find a video link of it in the description below. Do the first layer of base gel. Dip the corner into the color, then the glitter, and sprinkle some color at the rest of the nail. Apply the base gel on the other one, dip the corner and then dip into the glitter. Take off the excess powder between every layers. When you use multiple powders, keep the jars away, otherwise you brush the excess powder in them. Do the second layer on both of them, exactly the same way how you did on the first one. Do a third layer as well. We are doing 3 layers of color on this length, but the layers depends on the length of the nails. Just dip until you get the thickness that suits you, no rules for that. Remember, if the base gel application is very thin, less powder can stick on the nails, so you have to dip more. Apply the base gel only half of the nails, and dip into the color powder. Do the second layer of color. Do the third layer. Always take off the excess powder with a makeup brush. Do 3 layers of glitter to level up the nails. Future Nails dip powders made with a unique formula, and they are bone dry almost instantly after dipping. If you get any glitters in the solid color, you can use a hand file to take it off, because the product is already dry. These powders are never be like rubber when you do the filing. Correct the stripes with a hand file if needed. Dip them in the clear top powder to protect the design. If they are still flat, you can do a half layer of clear powder to make them stronger. Do the shaping and buffing with a Future Nails hand file and white block. Apply the activator generously. Wait 1 minute. Do the first layer of top coat in a thin layer. Wait 1 minute. Do the second layer of top coat in a thicker layer. It gives you the glossy finish. Wait 1 minute. Use cuticle oil to moisturize your skin.